In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Jira Service Management. To begin, open Jira and go to your support project. From there, head into Queues and choose the view that shows all open items. This is a helpful starting point because it places you in the service workspace where support requests and service projects are managed day to day. Next, click Create Space. This is where you set up a new service management area, so take a moment to confirm you are creating the right type of space for your team. Now select Service Management. You may see Service Management appear more than once as you move through the setup screens. Each time, you are confirming that you want a service-focused space rather than a software or business project. Click the highlighted Service Management option when it appears and continue. After that, choose Use Template. Templates are useful because they provide a ready-made structure, including request types and workflows, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. On the next screen, click Select a Team-Managed Space. Team-managed spaces are designed to be easier to configure and maintain within a team, with fewer dependencies on global administration. Then, type into the highlighted fields as prompted. This is where you name the space and provide the key details Jira needs to create it. As you type, use clear, specific wording that matches how your users will recognize this service. You will type again in the next highlighted field, so make sure each entry is consistent with your team's purpose. Next, click Team Type. This setting helps Jira tailor the template and defaults to the kind of work your team handles. Click the highlighted area to confirm your selection, and then type in the highlighted field again if you are prompted for additional details. Now, continue by clicking the next highlighted option, and then choose the procurement category. This aligns the new service space with procurement-style requests, which can make forms and routing more relevant to that kind of work. After that, click the highlighted option that follows and set the access setting to anyone can submit requests to this space. This is important when you want requests to be available broadly, rather than restricted to a small group. Finally, click Create Project. Give it a moment to finish provisioning. Once it loads, click the highlighted area at the top, and then click Jira Service Management to confirm you are viewing the new service project in the correct product area. That covers everything you need to know.